don't know if you can see, but Croc gang, let's go. So we're doing stuff in the garage right now, so Corolla is outside. She needs a wash. Let's go give her a wash. So I just replaced the coolant in this car today, and I tested it out earlier. She was running pretty nicely. Yeah, that's all I gotta say on that front. It took me about roughly an hour 10 minutes, something like that. So it took a little bit of time. I flushed with distilled water about 4 times. Now they recommend not flushing the coolant with water. That's a big wang. They recommend not flushing with distilled water just because the pink coolant is pretty watery already, but I had some green coolant in there that I needed to get rid of, so there's that. Also, the clunk noise is still there. I have a feeling the clunking is the bushings. I'm kind of upset about that, but I do have a little bit of a feeling, even though they're new, and I just got them done a month ago, 2 months ago, or roughly around then. So even though I just did them, I have a feeling that they are the ones clunking. That, or it's the coilovers. It's something that I can't just adjust away. There's actually something wrong in my suspension setup. It's not, oh, the locking ring's come off. Because I checked the locking ring, and I tightened the and it's still there. At this point, I'm kind of just getting used to the noise, which is not a good thing. I shouldn't be complacent with it, but at the same time, I don't know if I can fix it without ripping apart the front suspension. Oh, hello. I've seen you before. Yes. Lovely little wagon. I can tell it has an exhaust on it. It looks like a Cobb exhaust. Yeah, very nice. I like that car because I own one. I wonder if there's a way for me to modify the seat to make it go a little bit back. Just a little bit more. I just want a little, I feel like I'm starting to outgrow this car. I mean, like, physically. I don't know, I'm not necessarily any taller or anything. I'm not really any taller, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess I did gain weight, so maybe that's it, but I don't know. It's weird, but I do want to figure out if there's a way that I can just make this seat go back a little bit more. That's all I want. Just maybe another inch is good enough. That's what she said. Here we go. Hello. This is the first time this car is getting washed in, how long has it been? I'd say roughly a year and a few months. Because obviously the paint's not in great condition. It's been garaged a lot. In the last year I put maybe 800 miles on it. Right, I have to cut this part out of the video where I input my credit card. There we go. Okay, right, let's set it to engine and tire cleaner. Oh, there it is. Okay, the other one didn't soap up. I'm just gonna hold this out of the way. Also, that fender liner is messed up again. I need to fix that. Medium pressure soak. Oh boy. This looks like tire cleaner that's being sprayed. I think it was. I think there might be a little bit of a delay. Change it to high pressure. Okay, right, hold up, let's stop real quick. I want to change this to high pressure rinse. And then I'm going to change it to wax. Okay. Okay, I think now is the time we use the wax, after all the other soap has been. Oh, there we go. All right, needed some time to switch on, it seems. I mean, realistically, I probably don't even need to bother with the wax because this car is getting new paint at some point. I may do it sometime this year. I will do it at some point. So the wax is probably pointless for me to do, but it feels cool doing it, so I'll do it. Oh, and it's switched colors. I have a feeling this is supposed to be the wax. This bay just feels, everything feels delayed in here. Yeah, like see, now I'm painting my car pink. Yeah, I have a feeling this is what I was supposed to be putting on my car, not the green stuff. Oh well, she's getting a new paint job now. And it's changed color again. Okay, I guess it's just doing that. It's a rainbow. Okay, cool. So we'll switch it off. It smells like the dentist in here, I'm not going to lie. Okay, air dryer. There it is. I have a feeling that's supposed to be a little bit stronger than that. Right, we're ending it there. I spent $10.75. Hopefully this video makes it back. No, I'm just kidding. This video is not getting anywhere near $10. Always hot starts. Even now, it's been like this for years. Every time I do a hot start in this car, it's always the same story of it takes forever to start up. Okay, let's go home. So I think that's going to be it for this video. Thank you all for watching me give this car a little bit of treatment. If you did enjoy, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. It would be really much appreciated. Really much. Yeah, let's go with it. Ladies and gentlemen, and all other humans, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.